Hey everyone, guess what? I have to get over here. My girlfriend loves that Dodge. So, right now, I am slowing down. Up. I'm flooring it. Oh, oh, 199. Okay. Right now, I have to park my truck here. But, although, I have to meet him here, and I'll be right back. So, hey, he told me this. He gave me the keys for this Jeep. Yes, my girlfriend, do not like a Jeep, but although I just need this anyways. Okay, doesn't do appeal. But although I don't know why all my friends telling me I could have these vehicles. Cause I got that Jeep, I got that Dodge, I got this Jeep, but I gotta leave. I gotta leave. So I had to test it out. Okay. Oops. Don't worry, it is unbreakable. So, oops. Oh, oh, like, what? Okay. Okay, I'm stopping. Okay, I'll be back. Okay. Right now I'm in the bone stock Mustang. Yeah. I'm gonna slow down short now. So, right now, the dealership I called the dealership. They say they have a vehicle. They, you always want a car, this particular car, this vehicle, and now I am retiring the Jeep. So, not the fast boy, but my shop truck. Okay. Okay, good. I'll be right back. All right. Okay. Everyone. I talked to the dealer. They. I will test drive it and bring it back over here. This is a TRX Dodge Ram 2023 Dodge Ram. So I think I'm gonna buy this. Honest. And can I do a pew over here? Oh. No, it doesn't do a pew. Oh. Again, hit the green light. Wow. No. I'm returning any vehicles I own. So, right now, I got the Jeep. I will purchase this truck. But, right now, I am. I parking right here. Oh, wow. I'm gonna type some numbers and I will be. Okay. I purchased myself a Dodge Ram. Yeah. Honestly, I should kid you not. I purchased this for a lot, 40, 80, $85,000. And the cars, yeah, they gave it to me for free. But oh, I got a challenge for all these off-roading vehicles. Oh wow. Before I gonna transform these vehicles, it's quite a fun vehicle. What do you think? What do you think? Should I build it and should I do? Should I keep it as a shop truck or build it and keep the Jeep as a shop truck? Comment down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.